Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. As you know very well, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Kanpal. Class 7. What's the date today? Today is 6th August 2020. So class, start the new chapter, chapter number 4. Name is Moving Ahead with Flash CS3. Okay student, what's the name your chapter? Moving Ahead with Flash CS3. Next, Recalling Adobe Flash CS3 interface. So student, let's start the introduction basis. Your chapter Flash. So students, Adobe Flash is a popular animation software. Animation software used for creating computers animations. We can open it by typing Flash, Adobe Flash, CS3 Professional in the search box. So on the start screen and then pressing the enter key, the main components of the Flash window are shown below. So student, it's an animation software and its many tools available in Adobe Flash CS3. So one by one, let's discuss the name of the components of the Flash. So number first, title bar. Second, menu bar. Third, layers section. Fourth, tools panel. Fifth, property inspector. Sixth, timeline. 7, frame. 8, library. 9, stage. 10, last, Flash document window. So in this chapter, we will study about these all components. Class 7, this is your first screen of a window of a Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Okay student, and in a first option is a file, then next edit, view, insert, modify text, commands, control and debug windows help. Here are all options for tabs, and this side of a tools, many tools here and available of like text, pencil tool, magnify, color pick, etc. And in this show in a first side of a layer first. Okay student, this is a layer and this side of a timeline, show of a timeline like, and in a middle session of a is known as a stage. Okay, in this middle session available of any crate of a drawing, any shape we can insert any type of a pictures and write any types of a use of a text for the use of a colors. Okay students, and next the downside of a show of a properties of a show Flash CS3 Professional. Okay, the properties of a size, background size, etc. are given in a first screen of Adobe Flash. And students, this side of a timeline show a number, show to a timeline, and this area of a frame is known as a frame. Okay students, and student, this area of empty is known as a library side. Okay, it's a library form of any one to save our data, to write down the name, and this area show to a library site. Then student, next class 7, this side of a starting title bar, we can add any title. Then next menu bar, file, edit, etc. are known as a menu bar. Then next is a layer section. Okay, this area of a layer section. And next is a tools panel. All our option is here is known as a tool options, tools panels. Then last, property inspector. Okay, this known as a property inspector. It's a basic starting of a Window of introduction related of Adobe Flash CS3. Class 7th. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4. Name is Moving Ahead with Flash CS3. Okay students? In this chapter student, we will learn about related topics in Flash, introduction to Flash and animation, the Flash development environment, creating Flash animation like layers, timelines, creating animation, adding sound, publishing animation on web pages, and last using Flash to create embedded multimedia. So student, one by one, we will discuss in this full chapter topics to related about a Flash. So student, today we are going to discuss 3 topics regarding of a Flash. So first is Adobe Flash CS3 interface, second working with Flash tools, and last setting the text properties. So student, firstly, Adobe Flash is a popular animation software, okay, used for creating computer animation. And Flash CS tools bar, this is a picture of related tools bar of a Flash. First of all, selection tool, second free transform tool, pen tool, line tool, pencil tool, ink bottle tool, eyedropper tool, hand tool, stroke, color, fill color, black and white, snap to objects. Then next site, sub selection tool, lasso tool, text tool, rectangle tool, brush tool, paint, bucket tool, eraser tool, zoom tool, no color, swap colors tool options. So all are our names of our tools of a Flash CS3 interface. So student, let's start working with Flash tools. How to work Flash tools. So first of all, the eyedropper tool. We will discuss firstly eyedropper tool. So we can use the eyedropper tool for picking up colors first of all and styles from any existing lines, brush stroke and fills and applying them to some other object. So these steps to use this tool are as follows. So let's discuss about this point. First, click at the eyedropper tool in the tools panel. Then the pointer changes shape to an eyedropper. Then click the line, stroke or fill whose formatting you want to pick up. Then depending upon what you want to do, click on the ink bottle tool or paint bucket tool. So click the line, stroke or fill to which you want, apply the picked up formatting. The required formatting will get applied. So students, see properly, this is a window of a Flash CS3 and related of a Flash many tools. Next students, see a eyedropper tool. Okay, see a figure of properly eyedropper tool.
See student, this is a pick color. Fill it in the drawing tools to regarding eyedropper tool.
So come to our next topic, the free transform tools. Okay, so the free transform tool allow us to resize, move or rotate an object drawn or imported on the stage. The steps to use this tool are as follows. So let's discuss number first, draw or import an object on the stage. You can use the file import option to import the drawing object tool. Then next, use the selection tool to select the object. Third, select the free transform tool and a transform border will appear around the object with 8 resizing handles. Then student, to move the object to a new position, bring the mouse pointer over the selected object. Then when the pointer changes shape to the plus icon, drag an object to move it to a new position.
Students see a picture of related free transform tools. Means first vertical resizing handle, then horizontal resizing transform border, a corner resizing hand. Okay, so it's a free transform tools to rotate and changes any shape.
Now next student, see properly rotate the object. How to rotate the picture? So position the mouse pointer just above, means not over a corner handle. So when the pointer changes shape to the icon, drag the handle clockwise or anti-clockwise to rotate the object. Okay, both sides will be rotation handle the object. Then 6, to resize the object, means bring the mouse pointer over a corner handle and the pointer changes shape to the icon. Then drag the corner handle carefully to increase or decrease the size of the object proportionality. Then drag the transform border from the vertical and horizontal resizing handles to increase the height or width of the object respectively. So students, see a properly free transform tools. Okay. Now student, next is the text tool. So the text tool allow us to type text on this stage. You know very well text tool. These steps to use this tool are as given below. So number first, click on the text tool to select it. Then click on the stage at the place where you want to insert the text. Then a small text box appears on the stage with a blinking cursor inside. Then next student, you can type your text at the cursor position. Notice that as you type, the text box expands to accommodate the text typed by you. Then if you want to type in the next line, just press the enter key. So the cursor will shift to the next line. So students, very simple to enter the text tool and enter any easy way to use a text tool in a Flash CS3. So students, see a properly text tool. Okay. So student, this is a figure of a text tool, text type in the text box. So example is creating animation in Flash CS3 using a text tool. So next student, next topic is your setting the text property. Means we select the text in the text box option in the property inspector, change to display the properties that Flash allow us to set for our text. So means student, first step, click and select a font from the font drop down list. Then select a font size from here and click and select a font color from the drop down color platy. Then fourth, click to apply bold italic styling to the text. Next, click to set the alignment of the text to the left, right, center or justify used. Then last, click to the set orientation of the text or to horizontal or vertical form. Means we can setting the text property accordingly to in a Flash CS3. So important is you can convert the text into an image by selecting it and then choosing the break apart from option from the modify menu to is after converting text into an image you cannot edit it. So it's very simple to setting the text property in Flash CS3.
So student, this is your first window of a Adobe Flash CS Professional.
And next student, open your book and page number 43 and do in your book number first answer these questions. First, which tool helps you to draw circle and ovals? Oval tool, yes. Second, which tool allow you to type text on the stage? So it's text tool. Third, what is the gray area around the stage called? Backstage. Next, how many default layers are there in a new Flash document? One layer. And last, what is the frame that contains a little animation step called keyframe? So student, complete it, answer the question in your book.
So class 7, your today's homework is chapter number 4, page number 43. Do in your book and read page number 43 to 45.